Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some advanced gospel progression that you can play that will make you sound like a pro. So let's get into it. We are going to be doing this lesson in the key of D flats. All right. Now the first advanced gospel progression we're going to be learning is going to be the 2, 4, 1, flat 3, flat 7, flat 2, and then the 1. Now if you use this in that song, I will sing, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice, for he has made me glad. Now, to understand that movement, all you have to do is simply replace your 2, 5, 1 ending the song with a 2 being the dominant 7, and the 5 is going to be, you're going to substitute it for the 4 minor before you get to the 1. So instead of having a 2 minor, 5 dominant, 1 major, we have a 2 dominant, 4 minor, 1, and then from here we can go to the flat 3, make a major 7 from there, major 7 chord quality. Okay, however you want to voice that, you should try out different structures. And then you go to B major. Okay, I'm adding the 2, and then you play D major 7, then you just have to do 1. Okay, so that's something like all I'm simply doing there is I'm working up the cycle of 5th interval, starting from D. All my chords are major 7th chords except for the G flat chord, which is going to be a minor. So we have a 2, 5, 1. I'm going to play D major 7, and then cycle of 5th, A major 7, cycle of 5th, E major 7, cycle of 5th, B major 7, and then the G flats, again, cycle of it, where it's going to be a minor, then resolve to the 1. So you can see it as D, A, E, B, G flats, and I'm approaching the D flats. Okay, so you can try maintaining that D flat melody there. Or as I did it, I did this, and then this, and then this, and then this. What I'm doing, I'm working this time with the interval of the cycle of 4ths. All my chords are dominant 7 chords starting from D flat. So I once was lost, Amazing Grace, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Or we can just maybe walk, see how we can create a melody. So I'm starting from D flat. So we'll have a dominant 7, and then cycle of 4th, so G flats. Again, I'm using both that voicings, and you can learn all about this on my site if you have the time, so link will be in the description box. But anyways, I'm entering the dominant chord to give it a little bit of color, and then going cycle of fourth again, B7. Okay, yeah, you see that call of the sharp 11 and the 9, and then E7. Yeah, I'm just having the 9 here, and then A7. Okay, and then finally D7, and then resolve. So you see we have so here's what I'm doing. I'm going to suspend this D flat note here, my pinky, my right hand. And then I'm going to play B and E flat. And I'll just work that up, right? Following scale. So B, E flat, and D flat F. I'll play E flat, G flat, and then I'm going to switch to A. So that means E flat to go to E instead of F, because right, that's good. We're doing this. Now I'm on A. Again, I'm still going to maintain this. Then I'm going to continue the G flat minor, A flat minor, this, there is off. So many ways you could tweak this, but you could maybe do the difference is I'm switching to the A when I get to the G flat on my left hand. So I'll play F now this time. At this point I switch. The first one I switched from here. Let me know in the comments which one you think is best, which one sounds more better. I'm switching here from the A. This is very cool. Bonus. Oh. Use this. Can appreciate it.